Hello everyone, welcome to General Measures channel. In this video, we will explain how to use Weasy-Sync, the software for general measure checkweighters. Weasy-Sync is a management software specifically designed for general measure checkweighters. It allows you to easily manage one or multiple devices from a PC, significantly improving production efficiency and management convenience. Weasy-Sync is available in 4 versions: Free, Basic, Silver, and Gold. Each version offers different permission levels. If you purchase different versions, the corresponding license keys will also be different. All operations demonstrated here are based on the Gold version. After purchasing the Gold version of Weasy-Sync, you need to log in using a license key. Click Help and select System Information. In the pop-up window, enter the license key and click Apply Authorization. Once authorization is successful, the corresponding permission icons will be displayed in the upper left corner of the software interface. If you need to change the server host PC, you must first revoke the existing authorization and then reauthorize on the new PC. To cancel authorization, keep the network connected. Click Revoke Authorization, enter the password, and click Confirm. The authorization of the current host will be released. If changes in the production or operational requirements require a software upgrade, Weasy-Sync allows you to perform online upgrades for a selected single device or multiple devices. The following example demonstrates upgrading a single device. After entering the upgrade page, if the device is online, its status will be displayed as upgradable. Before upgrading, go to Software Version Management, click Add New Version, and upload the upgrade file. Select the upgrade file, click Save, and after saving is completed, click Release. Then, upgrades can be performed from the controller version page. There are 3 upgrade modes available: manual upgrade, automatic upgrade, and upgrade on reboot. Select one upgrade mode before proceeding. Manual upgrade. Click Upgrade, select the version, and click Confirm. Wait for the upgrade to complete. Automatic upgrade. Click Upgrade, select the version, and click Confirm. Upgrade on reboot. Click Upgrade, select the version, and click Confirm. After a successful upgrade, the version number will be updated accordingly. When multiple devices are deployed on site, you can debug parameters for one or multiple devices through the Weasy-Sync. The following example demonstrates adding a new product. Double-click an online device to enter the parameter interface. Click Debug Request and enter the 4-digit verification code displayed on the device screen. After verification is successful, the system enters debug mode. Select Data View, click Product List, and choose Add Product. In parameter settings, you can enter the product name and modify parameters such as target weight, upper limit, and lower limit. In addition, working parameters and I/O settings can also be remotely configured. More advanced functions are available for you to explore. That concludes today's video. If you would like to learn more about Weasy-Sync, please contact General Measure.